Hello, what's up guys? This is me Saurabh Zomagai, and in this video series I am going to teach you guys about machine learning, and this is the first video of the series. So by the end of this video you will be able to answer the following thing, or you will be able to know the following thing: why machine learning, what is machine learning, and the basic concept of machine learning. So without wasting any time, let's start. So why machine learning? Machine learning is the next big thing. The McKinsey Global Institute estimated that by the end of 2018, the United States alone will need 140,000 to 190,000 more machine learning experts and 1.5 million more data CV managers. So there's a better chance of getting good job and of course getting good salary. The big companies like Google, Netflix, Amazon, they all need these machine learning experts and data CV managers. So the number of candidates that are required for this field is increasing day by day, because machine learning is the future of technology. So machine learning, and here's the guy saying something: a breakthrough in machine learning would be worth 10 Microsoft. Machine learning solves problems that cannot be solved by numerical means alone. There are a lot of problems that cannot be solved by numerical means alone, or they are very complicated to do by numerical means. So we use machine learning. So those problems are called machine learning problems. That includes like is this cancer detection? What is the market value of this house? There is many things that affects the market value of house. There are many factors that affect the market value of the house. So this kind of problem can be solved by machine learning. Which of these people are good friends with each other? Will this rocket engine explode on takeoff? Will this person like this movie? Who is this? What did you say? And how do you fly this thing? And all of these problems are excellent target for an machine learning project. And in fact, machine learning has been applied to each of them with great success. So this is the answer for why machine learning. And now we'll be looking at what is machine learning. Machine learning can play a key role in wide range of applications such as data mining, natural language processing, image recognition, and expert system. So what exactly is machine learning anyway? So machine learning is actually a lot of things. The field is quite vast and expanding rapidly. But here are some definitions for machine learning given by some authors. Here is a definition given by author Samuel way back in 1959, I think. Yes, 1959. So he says that machine learning is a field of study that gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So this is the definition given by author Samuel. And here's another definition given by Tom Mitchell. He said that a computer is said to learn from experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P. So if its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. So he says that if a machine learns from the previous experience and use that experience in the future tasks, then it is said to be a machine learning. Here is an example defining this definition or explaining this definition. So if you want your program to predict, for example, like traffic signals, traffic pattern at a busy intersection, so you can run it through a machine learning algorithm with data about traffic patterns, and if it has successfully learned, it will then do better at predicting future traffic patterns. This is the example for machine learning. And here's a saying: if you are going to make a really great wine, you have to make great grapes, and if your grapes are not good, your wine is not good. Same is true for machine learning. You need good data. You need to really understand your data, and there's a technique to it to make really great wine, and it's really hard to learn. And same is true for machine learning. There's a technique to look at data and understand data to be able to apply algorithm, and if you don't master the technique, you will never be a great machine learning person. So in this series we will start with a bunch of machine learning algorithm, but we are also going to be looking at some really interesting data set, and we'll start from raw data, and then we are going to show a machine learning process that sort of goes from beginning to end. So if you want to learn machine learning, you need this thing. You need programming experience, especially in Python, because we will be making a lot of use of machine learning libraries that are available to us in Python, so we are using it in it. So little bit of familiar with stat also. So these things are required to learn. This was for this video, and in the next video we'll be studying naive Bayes theorem. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you really like my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have something to say, please write down in comment section.